211, final runway 02.
Bangladesh 211 tower, wind 230 degrees 8 knots, fuel and component 7 knots, on 02, continue approach.
Continue approach, Bangladesh 211.
Airways 266, expedite exiting runway. Bangladesh 211, wind 220 degrees 7 knots, fuel and component 6 knots, on 02, clear to land.
Clear to land, Bangladesh 211.
Bangladesh 211 tower.
Go ahead, man.
Go ahead, sir.
Bangladesh 211, you are given landing clearance to runway 02.
Affirmative, sir.
You are going towards runway 20.
Not on the tower, but on to runway 02.
Okay, Bangladesh 211, runway 20, clear to land.
Clear to land.
Bangladesh 211, Kathmandu tower.
Go ahead.
Bangladesh 211, request your intention.
I would like to land on 02.
Bangladesh 211 and confirm your VFR.
Affirmative.
Bangladesh 211 joined right downwind runway 20.
Copy.
Present right downwind runway 02, break big. With the 282, descend to circuit and runway 02, clear to land.
Runway 02, clear to land, descend to circuit altitude with our 282.
And Bangladesh 212 traffic final at runway 02 at 2 miles. If feasible, report sighting.
Copy, sir. We will be approaching runway 02.
Confirm you are tracking towards runway 20.
Affirmative.
Join left, right, downwind, runway 02. I say again, Bangladesh 212, traffic is on final, runway 02, landing to runway 02.
Copy, sir. Advise with our 282.
With the 282, go ahead.
Confirm clear to land, runway 02.
With the 282, above runway 02, clear to land.
02, clear to land with our 282.
Bangladesh 211, I say again, do not proceed towards runway 20. Clear to hold at your present position.
Okay, we are making an orbit to the right. Copy. Tower 211, making a right hold wind. Right is holding for runway 02.
Okay, that's good, but do not land. Traffic is on short final runway 02.
We know that, sir.
Done.